let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you.
So what are we doing today, guys?
Making smoothie bowls.
Making smoothie bowls.
Daddy!
So without further ado, guys, we'll see you in the next clip. I was super inspired to create a healthy dessert for my two little minions because we all know how much children love sugar, and I try to basically limit my kids' sugar intake. So I decided to try and make this healthy, nutritious smoothie bowls. So the first thing you will need is raspberries. We are just going to wash our raspberries and then we're actually going to place them in the freezer overnight. Couldn't stop eating them, they taste so good. Raspberries are really high in antioxidants and they have super high levels of vitamin C. It can decrease the risks of obesity, diabetes and heart disease. The second thing you will need for this recipe is some bananas. And today I've got my little helper in the kitchen. He's going to be chopping up my bananas for me. Guys, please don't come for me about allowing my little one to use a knife. I believe it's an essential life skill that I really want my children to learn as soon as possible, and I ensured to stand right over him and I was watching him, and he's also a very meticulous child. Bananas are high in potassium and they can boost your energy levels. So once my beautiful little helper has finished chopping the bananas, we are just going to place those in the freezer overnight.
If it's something that you want, you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world.
I'm just going to add cling film over the top of the bowl. It's time for my helper to have a quick drawing break. Bless him.
A shark. Wow, that's cool.
Anything to say, Kay?
Thanks for watching.
Oh, you're so sweet. We are now just going to take some organic beetroot. This was what will give your smoothie bowl that lovely colour, but I do suggest not adding in a lot because it does have a very distinctive taste. So I've warned you guys, just add in a little bit. So I just peeled off the skin and then now I'm just chopping it, and I'm using organic beetroot because I'm that kind of level of extra.
Gonna hold you down, be that one to share your everything. No one's around, baby.
So what do you think these are, Kay? What do you think they are?
Onions.
I also let him have a quick little practice at chopping the onions. Just take a moment to appreciate this beautiful haircut. Slay! Now it's time to add the frozen raspberries into our blender. Tip would be to take the bananas and raspberries out of your freezer and let them sit for a little bit just to defrost slightly, because this is something that we didn't do, so it was quite tricky to get them into the blender, so we had to eventually use some water to kind of soften them up to just put them into the blender. Here we're basically all fighting to put it into the blender.
Trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your home. Say what you want, and you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come take a walk with me, walk with me. Yeah, everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. It's been so long, I've had this feeling that we could be everything you've ever wanted, baby. You're fantastic. I won't push too hard to break your heart, 'cause my love's sincere. I'm not like any other girl, you know. So let me erase your fears.
And we just added in a little bit beetroot, like so.
I'll be a friend that could be your homie.
Now it's time to blend, and I like to set my blender on smooth boost to ensure everything gets really smooth. And this took quite a while to really blend it all up. Just adding in some spring water. Make sure it gets really blended up properly. As you can see, there's still lumps of bananas. Just kept blending it until it was really smooth. Now it's time for the finished product. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. Ta-da! And I just basically plated it up, and I added in some hemp seeds for extra protein, and I added a raspberry on top and a little strawberry as well. Hemp seeds also contain calcium, iron and zinc, which is good to know, guys. Now it's time for the taste test. Will they approve?
The dots. Why do you...
I'll eat the dots. Here goes.
Yay! Hi guys. I don't like. I don't like when I don't like when you eat because the crunchiness you eat is annoying me. When you eat, I hate when you eat because of the crunch. The crunch when the noise when you're eating is annoying. It's very distracting.
So there you basically have it.
Oh,
How to create your own smoothie bowls.
No.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Hey.
And I really think they love it because they're fighting over it. Oh my gosh, Kay.
Maybe that. Okay.
I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for loads more.
What's that? A raspberry. Someone just put it on my finger. It's a raspberry, not strawberry. It's a raspberry.
I really hope that I hit the record button. How would you rate our smoothie bowls?
I would rate it 9 to 10.
I would rate it 10 out of 10, guys.
I would rate it 10 out of 10 too.
It was amazing.
You need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything. No one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. That would be great.
Do you have anything to say, Kate? Thank you guys so much for watching.
Wait, this video on making smoothie bowls.
And please leave us a comment in the comment section below if you do try this recipe.
If you and also leave in a comment how you would rate it.
We're literally getting this place covered. Is there wet wipes? Thank you guys so much. Mwah. Mwah.
So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your home. And you should make me your girl.
Blissful moment when your kids are finally in bed. Shh, don't tell them. Love you guys. See you in my next upload.